In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Google Calendar to Outlook. This can be incredibly helpful if you use both platforms and want to manage your schedule seamlessly in one place. It may seem a bit tricky at first, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to get it done in no time. First, start by navigating to your Google Calendar through your preferred web browser. Once you're on the main page, locate the calendar you wish to add to Outlook, which you'll find on the left side of your screen. You'll notice a set of 3 vertical dots just beside the calendar name. Go ahead and click on those dots. After clicking, you'll see a menu with several options. Click on Settings and Sharing from this menu. This will direct you to a new page dedicated to various settings related to your calendar. Now scroll down this page until you find the section titled Secret Address in iCal format. This section is crucial because it contains the URL you'll need to sync your calendar with Outlook. Copy the secret address to your clipboard. It's important to keep this information confidential as it allows access to your calendar. Next, navigate to Outlook by opening its web page. Once you're logged in, look for the calendar icon, which is usually located in the lower left corner of the screen. Click on it to get to the calendar view of Outlook. In the Outlook calendar view, look for the Add Calendar option, which you'll find usually to the left or in the toolbar at the top. Clicking on Add Calendar will give you several choices to add a new calendar. From these options, select Subscribe on the web. You'll now see a field where you can paste the secret iCal URL that you previously copied from your Google Calendar. Paste the URL into this field to proceed. After pasting the URL, click on Import. This action will start the process of connecting your Google Calendar to Outlook. At this point, Outlook will prompt you to give a name to this calendar. Choose something that makes it easily identifiable for you. Something like Google Calendar might work well. Next, you'll have an opportunity to customize the appearance of your newly added calendar. You can choose a color to represent it distinctly among your other calendars. Simply select the color that you prefer. Additionally, you have the option to select a charm, which is a small icon that can help visually distinguish this calendar. Finally, once you've completed these personalizations, locate and click the Import button one more time. This final step will complete the setup process, and your Google Calendar events should now appear in your Outlook calendar view. And that's it. You've successfully added your Google Calendar to Outlook. Now you can manage your schedules from both platforms more seamlessly. Enjoy the convenience and happy scheduling.